Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Love to bring these videos to you. It's a 6 p.m. video, but this is coming from one of you. Someone in the chat on one of my live streams said, how about, Glenn, you put out a video on finding stocks less than $10 that are undervalued. And that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm going to find you inexpensive stocks or undervalued stocks under $10. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to build the search, and then we're going to track it going forward to see how powerful the analysis really is. So let's get right into the software. I created a search and I want to break it down what it's all about because it's important. You need to know what you're getting into before you start to think about buying any of these stocks. First thing, price, it's got to be less than stock value. I want undervalued stocks. Why is that so important? Because we give an intrinsic value on every stock. We want you to be in undervalued stocks because stocks that are undervalued tend to rise to meet value over time. It's a good way to get the price of the stock going higher over time. Next one, price actual, less than $10. Simple, right? Next, relative value, one of our indicators. Relative value is cast on a scale between 0 and 2. Relative value looks at a stock's ability to outperform a AAA corporate bond over the next 1 to 3 years. We want to outperform the market. So I want to find stocks that are less than $10 that have the ability to outperform the market. Well, that makes sense, right? Especially if I'm looking for stocks to buy that are less expensive. Average volume, I want the average volume to be greater than 100,000 shares. I want liquidity. I don't want you to be in an inexpensive stock that you can't get in and out of easily. So average volume greater than 100,000 shares. On the day that I run the search, I want the stocks to be going up in price. You know me, no matter how good a stock's price is, I tend to will not buy on a down day. So on the day that we're running the search, I want the stocks to be going up in price. That gives me some more comfort knowing that the stock is already doing what I wanted to do when I put the trade on. And last but not least, another VectorVest proprietary indicator, CI, also cast on a scale between 0 and 2. CI is the comfort index. It's the stock's ability to withstand long or lengthy price declines. You know, we find stocks that go down, down, down. When I have high CI stocks, these are stocks that may go down, but they're resilient enough to return, to come back to the trend and move higher and outpace the last high that it hit. Stocks that go up more than they go down. And if I'm looking at stocks less than $10, I think that's a great thing to have in your behalf. I'm going to run the search as I'm recording this video right now. I want to look at the top 10 stocks. Remember, we track over 9,000 stocks and be able to set up a search to go through the database to find the top 10 sorted by VST. All of these stocks are going up in price today. I made sure I wanted to do that. Look at all of these relative values. All of these relative values, these stocks have good upside potential. Again, a plus when I'm looking for lower dollar stocks. Look at these values. We assign a value to every stock every day. Every single one of these stocks is under its value. These stocks have good upside ability because undervalued stocks tend to rise to meet price over time. All of these stocks are in uptrends. Relative timings are all above 1. So that's another added bonus in our favor, especially because we're looking at stocks less than $10. They're all in uptrends. None of them are sell recommendations. They're either buy or holds. Look at these earnings growth rates on these lower dollar stocks. $10 stocks, and every single one of them have double-digit earnings growth. We all know that earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher, but the rate of growth or earnings growth, look at them, all double digits on undervalued stocks less than $10. All I've done is use the power of the VectorVest software to put you in great quality stocks out of over 9,000 stocks that are undervalued, that are liquid, that have good upside potential. I'm not showing any graphs today. All I really wanted to do is hone in on your ability as a VectorVest subscriber to make this search. Stocks that are under $10, but adding the probability in your favor based on the VectorVest indicators for these stocks to go up in price. Again, no graphs, but I am tracking them. I put them into a portfolio. These top 10 stocks, I put them into a portfolio. We're going to track them going forward. You got to remind me every so often on a live stream, hey, Glenn, let's go look at those undervalued stocks that you were talking about, and we're going to do that. I've got one simple stop on getting out. because all of these RTs are above 1, when RT falls below 1, that's going to be our point to get out because the stock will no longer be in an uptrend. That's simple, and that's it. Again, short and simple, to the point, but you wanted stocks less than $10 that were undervalued, and here you go. If you're brand new to the channel and you like the content, folks, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted when new videos like this come out. For the person that asked me for this, here you are. Make sure you hit the like button. For all you regular folks out there, regular folks to the channel, less than $10. Less than $10, but high probability plays. All right, with that being said, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.